There's the artifact, something that relates to the time and place that's being interpreted, whether the good, the bad, or the ugly. And from a preservation standpoint, I very much see that as something worth preserving, whether that's through documentation, interpretation, or conservation. And that differs from things that come later. For instance, we talk about monuments and memorials. Those aren't artifacts that pertain to the time and place they're memorializing. They're a different time and place, and they mean different things. And so you need to evaluate that in context. But for me, as a preservationist, I don't put as much stock in those items that I do in something that was actually there. When you destroy the relic or that artifact from that place and time, you don't get it back. It's gone, which means future generations. You can look at it from a sustainability standpoint. Preservation is keeping things so that future generations can interpret. You destroy it, you don't have that ability to do so any longer. We obviously look at it as a means to help us understand our culture, help us understand our cultural values, of course, today, but also help us in the future to kind of understand that past and hopefully learn from it.